my dad says I must focus on schoolwork. Previous video you saw us finish the PW80. We sold the TTR. And the man is coming to that. Let's get started with our build. You can see this is another PW80. It needs a lot of work. Do you think also so?
Yes, I think so. Hi guys, welcome back. Like Mackie said, he must focus on his schoolwork. But to be honest, I'm really proud of him. He picked up. So yes, we can focus again on bike building. Importantly, is I think we know the PW80s, we know the PW50s. We're going to stick to what we know, Yamaha. But he's excited. You actually want to do a KX or a Kawasaki. He loves green, so I was thinking maybe we must make this bike green. What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, today's main focus would be to strip it. Yes, and then our parts list. We started on a couple of things here, the obvious things. You guys will see. Mackie, just if you can move it there on the back end, so that you guys can see. If you move the bike ever so slightly, the whole neck is moving. So that was one of the first things that we've noticed. So it would be neck bearings, all the cables. We do that from start. The Kickstarter, something doesn't look like it, and we're obviously going with new plastics.
Yes.
Decals obviously, but I'm thinking you're going to customize yours this time around. We've started working on that so long. Just show them your new shirts that you've had made up.
We are going to start stripping the plastics like always. You can see these two bolts, what's keeping the seat on. Let's strip the thing down.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that? Is it lock nuts? Just be sure to keep all your hardware together. We use little containers, so we've got numerous containers, and we try and split it up so that we've got one bottle of hardware for every part of the bolt or rebuild. So all the plastics hardware we will keep in one container, and one for the wheels, and then one for the engine, and obviously we try and keep our electronics together.
Yes.
The tires are still good, eh?
Yeah, very good. They keep it in good condition.
Most probably recently replaced, but this is a very hard compound tire. So it's whereas your PW80, the tire compound is a lot softer. Yeah. They might need some replacing soon, but yes, let's finish this one up first. Okay. Stuck from it. Okay. I'll get my own set. give you guys a little bit of a closer view as to what we've done so far. Yeah. It's just dirty, but I've seen worse. And then I can almost say with surety that I think that this bike was previously rebuilt at one point or another. This frame was powder coated and maybe not that long ago, and it looks like the rims was done too. Yes, but I doubt, and it doesn't look like there's been too much done to the motor. I did start it up. To be honest, I think this is going to be a total rebuild.
Yes.
The compression is not too good, so we will be most likely looking at a new piston kit. I'm just gonna open it up first and see whether that is still the standard size. Yeah. Okay, Mackie, I know that you're in a hurry to get everything done. Just remember, you need to take the gear lever off first, otherwise you won't get that cover off. So that's a 8. Yeah, so that should be this one. Yeah. He's learning. Hopefully he builds it as soon as as quickly as he strips it. Hey? So once you've got the motor all loose, so all the nuts are taken off. So they're basically just carrying the motor at this point in time. So the easiest way to take it down now is to start by using taking out the front one here. So by just pulling it out, the motor should then fold. It's being hauled by the carrier down the bottom there. So let's just take out the next one here. Go down to the other side, that might be easier. But yes, and then just like that, got one motor out. Put that aside. And then we are almost there. We're just taking off the wheels now. And then we'll be getting back to the viewers. Just give them an update on the parts list.
Okay.
And then yeah, but I think that's it for now. Let's just take down the wheels and then start our parts list.
So we finished stripping the whole bike. You can see. We did all the electricity. My dad just
Cover bushes, yeah.
yes.
Yeah, for the powder coating that needs to be taken out. So yes, We've got the exhaust. It looks to be in good nick, but we'll check that over. We need to work on our parts list now. Yeah.
Yes.
So instead of, I think it's still in good nick. There's a couple of dings and scratches, but that we'll sort out before sandblasting, obviously, and powder coating. And then yes, I need to take out the rubber bushes here. Yes, and then the big job starts, the cleanup. We're gonna get a bigger sprocket for you, a more advanced sprocket, or a slightly bigger sprocket, new chain. The brakes and the shoes are still fine. These bikes, for some reason, they're very, especially with the original Yamaha brake pads, if I can call it that. And then interesting, maybe the viewers can tell us, there's a date on there. It says 95. Well, it is a code. I'll double check on the other ones. Although there's a difference there. It says Yamaha 110, so that might be the size. So this is 95, 5 millimeters, and that might be 110 millimeters. Guys, just to give you a quick view of what can be done. We don't have access to our hydraulic press just yet. But to take out these bushes and the swing arm, you have this powder coat. You need to take these bushes out, so they don't allow, or they don't want to do it with the rubber bushes inside. So you can take a closer look what I've done here as far. So I've taken a threaded rod, or you can use a long bolt as well. And then by using a slightly smaller washer on the one side and a bigger washer on the other side, and then if you don't have access to it, but a normal, some sort of a heat gun or something would work, then you just warm it up, torch going, so you then just gently warm it up. Like I said, this is now basically done. We didn't think of, I'll do a full tutorial on that next time, but then just heating it up slightly. Obviously you're going to do the one before the other one, by just gently warming it up and then tightening your screw. You'll see it pull it all together. So if I can just quickly then show you, by pulling it, that bolt on the top end there. By pulling it, you'll see you'll be able to pull them together. Quick fix, definitely. Add to cart. Proceed, where is it? Continue shopping. Okay, grills. Let's hold on with that. I want to double check on those. Kickstart oil seal. Didn't we add one just now?
Yes, we did.
Why is it different ones? Okay, that's off. Oh shit, we took that aftermarket. Let's swap that on. Rather take the Yamaha one. So add to cart, we'll delete that one.